The Credit Pros: features, strengths, weaknesses. The Credit Pros offers a multifaceted approach to credit repair, leveraging technology and legal expertise. Key features include a personalized credit analysis, dispute processing via automated systems, cease and desist letters to creditors, debt validation, and credit monitoring integration. They also offer credit education resources through their platform. This service is primarily designed for individuals with inaccuracies on their credit reports who are struggling to improve their credit scores and are seeking professional assistance to navigate the complexities of credit repair. It's best suited for those comfortable with technology-driven solutions. A significant strength lies in their use of AI-powered dispute technology to identify potential errors and generate dispute letters more efficiently than manual methods. Their attorney-backed approach provides an extra layer of credibility and potentially more effective strategies for challenging negative items. Moreover, the transparency in their pricing structure compared to some competitors is a definite plus. However, a notable weakness is the reliance on automation, which might not cater effectively to highly complex or nuanced credit situations requiring individualized attention. While efficient, the automated approach can lack the personalized touch some clients prefer. Another potential drawback is the monthly subscription model. If results aren't achieved quickly, the cost can accumulate significantly. Also, remember that credit repair is not a magic bullet. Results depend heavily on the specific inaccuracies present on your credit report and the responsiveness of creditors and credit bureaus.